Hey y'all, how you doing today? Dana here, and I want some salmon. I want some Alaska salmon. David and I have been to Alaska several times, and we always enjoy all of the different dishes they make up there with their fresh caught salmon. So I have bought some in the grocery store, some salmon, and I'm gonna make one of our favorites, which is a salad with butter poached salmon on top. It's really easy, and it makes a good meal, a fast meal, because I take a few shortcuts. But I just wanted to show you, when you buy your salmon, okay, they're going to be in little individual pack things like this. Now, there's a huge bag, and there's about 10 in there of these. So what you got to do, this is what I do. You got to push it down a little bit to where you can see that it's not, both sides, front and back, are not stuck together. Then you just use your kitchen shears and cut it off. Now, I know y'all know how to do this, but some of you new cooks have asked me things like this. So y'all bear with us, y'all that know how to cook. Then you just lightly run it over some water to wash it off. And then we are gonna dry this. Pat it dry. You don't wanna be rough with your fish. Now y'all, I'm gonna butter poach this. That means I'm not trying to make the skin look gorgeous or anything like that. I'm just gonna poach it and put it on top of my salad. So I've got 3 right here. This is the next one. So I got to do some salting, and I'm just gonna do a tiny little bit of salt because that's all I wanna do. Just a little bit of salt, and the butter that I have is salted that I used in my pan. I'm gonna do 4 pieces, and while it's cooking, we'll take care of our salad. So here's the salmon, and I've got the butter going. We're gonna poach it. We're gonna poach it nice and slow so that we have tender, delicious, juicy salmon, and we're gonna love it. And you can do this with other fish too. It doesn't have to be salmon, but that's what I wanted today. That's what was on sale at the grocery store. So we've got that on there, and we're just going to place each one gently in there and let the butter poaching begin. I've got it on medium-low heat right now. I've got a little citrus juice right here, and we're just gonna put just a little on each one. I don't wanna overcome it with citrus. I want that good taste of the salmon. Okay, and now we've got it going. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit, put the lid on it, and let it poach. And I will come back in here every few minutes, and I will take this butter and I will pour it over the top of the salmon, just as so. And that way, we can be getting some of that good juice, good butter on there. It's gonna be yummy. All right, let's put the lid on. Be back shortly. All right, you might be saying, Dana, what are we gonna do with the salmon? I'm gonna serve it over a salad. So I'm gonna pull this together. Now, this is one of those salad kits. It's Mediterranean Crunch. And it's got romaine, chicory, broccoli stalk, cauliflower, flatbread strips, red cabbage, feta cheese, and carrots. And it has the vinegar, the balsamic vinegar already in there with it. So this is really easy. I told you I was making it easy on us, so that's what we're doing. So let's get started. This is an easy salad kit if you've never used one. Every grocery store has them. You just got to pick what kind you like. They have the packet with all the goodies in it. Then you're gonna pour up your salad in a bowl where you can mix it, and look at your salad, and it looks very, very good. Okay, now there's a few things you may or may not do. I don't always mix the whole salad up all together because sometimes, you know, it won't get eaten at the meal. It's better if you eat it at the meal as soon as you make it. I am gonna put these in it, but the feta cheese, I'm gonna put in one of my little bowls, and I'll put a little dressing in it, but the rest of it will go in a little bowl also so we can get extra. Different people like different amount of dressing. We'll put most of that in there. Then I think I'll leave a little bit of it out in case we want it to be crunchy, crunchy on the top. There we go. We got that. We got to do the feta. Got to do the feta cheese. I can hear that fish going. I've turned it up to 250 on my pan. Okay, y'all, here is this. And if you can see, it's kind of separated. So before I open it, we're going to give it a good shake. Make sure it's all incorporated. And then I'm going to pour just a smidge of it in here to give it a little stir. And the rest of it is going into this so people can put on as much or as little as they want. Because different people like different amounts. Now, how easy was that? I know. Take your tongs, get them going. Very good. Just stir it up good. And you know, we put a little dressing in there, so we're gonna stir it good and get ready. And let's check on our salmon right now. Oh, it's looking good. All right, I'm gonna get some of this. This is looking great. Pour that butter over the top of it. Okay, pull this to the side a little so I can grab it. And you can see, if you look at the side here, that it's cooking all the way up from the bottom. And I've got it on 250. I may turn it down to 2. Now I'm putting the lid back on, and we'll be back shortly. I'll just eat off this thing.
That'd be good.
Okay. Or you can eat off this thing. Hey y'all, we just got to the State House this morning and I'm editing video so you can watch me cook my butter poached salmon. And I realized part of my video did not record. So I'll show you a picture of it plated up and it was really delicious. David loved it. But anyway, that's what's happening today, and I just wanted you to know the good Lord loves you, and I love you too, and I've got a picture of it, and I just want you to know it was mighty tasty. Love and blessings to you. Bye now.